everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Teaching Method with Shathi Miss. Today we are going to learn class 5 elementary mathematics book in topic Unitary Method in page 25. Last class we saw Unitary Method details explanation. So today we will solve in page 25 number 1 question. At first read the question. Tanya bought 8 orange by 192 taka. Let us find out how much money he would need if he bought 3 orange. So let's start today's class. Take your math book, notebook and pen and let's start today's class. Okay. 8 orange by 192 taka. 8 orange cost 192 taka. Okay. So 1 orange cost, last class আমি তোমাদের বলেছিলাম if we find 1 unit then we have to divide 192 divide 8 or we write in this way. Then in questions given here find out 3 orange. So 3 orange cost, so 1 more than, that's mean multiply. So 192 multiply 3 divided by 8. So 192 divided by 8. So we have to rough work here. Okay. 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 3. 9 from 6 minus 3. 2 brings down. So 8 4s are 32. So 24 into 3. So that's mean 4 3s are 12 by 2. 1 carrying 3 2s are 6. 72 taka. That is the answer. Okay. Now we will do next page in your book, page 26, number 1. Okay. At first we read the question. Mr. Rohim bought 5 green coconuts for 600 taka from the market. Mr. Rohim bought 5 green coconuts for 600 taka from the market. How much money would he spend if he bought 12 green coconuts? Okay. 5 green coconut cost 600 taka. So 1 green coconut cost, so 1 less than 5 এর থেকে 1 কম. So we have to divide here. Just for remember, 600 divided by 5, or we can write here in this way. Now in this question here given 12 green coconut. 12 green coconut cost, so 1 more than, so multiply 600 multiply 12 divided by 5. So we reduce here or divide in here, rough work here. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 0 put down. So 120 multiply 12, or we work here mentally. 5 1s are 5, 1 and 0 2, so 5 12s are 60 and 0 put down. So 120 into 2, so 12 2s are, so 12 12s are 144 and 0 put down. That's it. Easy calculation. Or you can rough work here. So 12 12s are 144 and 0 put down. This is the answer. So this is so easy and simple mathematics unitary method. So students, just remember, in most unitary method problem, at first we have to division. So to find 1 unit, okay. Multiplication, we have to many unit. To find many unit. So remember this formula, divide then multiply. So remember this formula, divide then multiply. Okay. And I will also share with you short trick. Super easy memory trick. Super easy memory trick. Students can remember this short trick. DOM rule. DOM rule. Just for remember DOM rule. DOM rule. So D for divide. D. Super easy memory trick. Student can remember this short trick. This one DOM rule. D for divide to get 1. D for divide to get 1. 2 for divide to get 1. And M for multiply to get many. Multiply to get many. Mathematics. Okay? So unitary method is where we first find the value units. So student, and follow my page teaching method with Shathi Miss. Assalamu alaikum everyone.